Why bananas are so awesome. The history of bananas is an interesting tale that spans centuries and continents, with the fruit's roots in the jungles of Southeast Asia. To get to the heart of its origins, we have to start by going back in time to a place called New Guinea in western Melanesia, and when we do, it becomes clear that bananas, along with just about every other fruit or vegetable that exists today, are not native to any one region or country. In fact, they were originally grown exclusively in the jungles of Southeast Asia. In the late 19th century, bananas became the most popular fruit in the United States. In 1876, an importer from Jamaica established a banana plantation at Biscayne Bay in Florida. In 1880, the first banana arrived at New York City's Union Square for sale. The introduction should include a few statements explaining what you will be discussing and why it is relevant. Fossil evidence of bananas go back at least 10 million years, and possibly as far as 20 million years. The original wild bananas were found in lowland areas and subtropical regions of Southeast Asia. The banana fruit is a type of berry called a multiple fruit. You can think of it as a bunch or cluster of fused bananas. The flowers that produce the bananas are actually different plants than the ones that produce the flowers that produce the leaves, which is why they're called multiple fruits. Bananas are from Southeast Asia, not from Central America, as many people falsely believe. Bananas were first cultivated in Malaysia and Indonesia about 3,000 to 4,000 years ago. They spread gradually through southern Asia because they were valued for their sweetness and nutritious properties. Bananas are an amazing fruit that we all know and love. They come in all shapes and sizes, but they can all be traced back to a single species of wild bananas called Musa acuminata. Bananas have been around for at least 10,000 years. The history of bananas is very interesting because it has traveled with humans to every corner of the world. We cannot live without this fruit, but there are certain characteristics that make them different from other fruits. These include their shape, size, color, and texture. Bananas are a common fruit in North America and a key agricultural product. They are typically eaten raw, though they can also be baked, boiled, or mashed. Bananas have many unique characteristics that make them a convenient fruit to consume. They are easy to grab and eat on the go as they do not need to be peeled before eating. In addition, bananas stay fresh for up to 2 weeks when refrigerated correctly, and can actually ripen more after being refrigerated. Bananas have a lot of benefits. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. Bananas are a great source of dietary potassium, vitamin C, dietary fiber, and vitamin B6. They also contain some magnesium, manganese, and copper. Additionally, bananas are a good source of antioxidant phenolics. Some beneficial compounds found in bananas include dopamine and catechin. These compounds have various health benefits, such as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Bananas also contain tryptophan, which has been linked to improved sleep quality. Bananas are a great source of natural energy as they contain 50% more sugar than an apple. They can be eaten both on their own or as part of a healthy breakfast such as oatmeal or cereal, or as an ingredient for homemade snack bars or raw dessert/baked treats. Bananas have a unique combination of slow-releasing sugars that give you long-lasting energy without spiking your blood sugar levels. This means it is the ideal fruit to keep on hand if you experience sugar cravings often during the day, because a banana provides a steadier high-energy food source rather than something processed from carbohydrates which break down quickly into sugar. Additionally, the high fiber content of bananas can help regulate blood sugar levels and minimize blood sugar spikes after eating. This is beneficial for people with diabetes or prediabetes, as well as those who are trying to lose weight, as it can prevent cravings and overeating later on in the day. Bananas are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is important for a strong immune system. They also contain vitamin B6, which is necessary for the production of antibodies and various proteins in the body. Additionally, vitamin B6 is essential for a healthy nervous system and cognitive function. The high level of dietary fiber found in bananas can also help keep your digestive system regular and functioning properly. Lastly, bananas are a good source of magnesium, which alleviates constipation, reduces blood pressure, improves nerve and muscle function, enhances brain activity, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and encourages healthy skin. Bananas are high in tryptophan, an amino acid that is used by your body to create serotonin. Serotonin acts as a neurotransmitter that influences many of the functions in your body, including sleep patterns, mood control, sexual behavior, appetite, and pain perception. An increase in serotonin levels can improve your quality of sleep, so you wake refreshed. Therefore, bananas are great at any time of day, but they are particularly beneficial before bed because their high tryptophan content will help promote good sleep patterns. Additionally, being low in calories makes bananas a great choice for anyone trying to lose weight, as they can help to curb sugar cravings and maintain a healthy diet. So overall, bananas provide many health benefits such as improving bowel regularity, regulating blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, delaying the onset of Alzheimer's, boosting the immune system, and promoting good sleep patterns. They are also low in calories and high in dietary fiber, which makes them an excellent choice for people looking to improve their overall health and well-being. So next time you're feeling peckish, try reaching for a banana instead of that bag of chips. Bananas are a great source of many essential nutrients such as dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, and potassium. They also contain some sugar, protein, and vitamin B. They also contain some magnesium, manganese, and copper. Additionally, bananas are a good source of antioxidant phenolics. Some beneficial compounds found in bananas include dopamine and catechin. These compounds have various health benefits such as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Bananas also contain tryptophan, which has been linked to improved sleep quality. Bananas are a great source of natural energy as they contain 50% more sugar than an apple. They can be eaten both on their own or as part of a healthy breakfast such as oatmeal or smoothie. They are also great to use when baking as they complement sweet dishes such as banana bread. Bananas contain only about 90 calories, no saturated fat or cholesterol, and are sodium-free. They can help maintain a healthy weight because they help prevent overeating due to their high fiber content, which results in increased satiety or fullness after eating. Eating bananas can also help fulfill one's daily requirements for potassium, which is an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure levels and protect against heart disease. The high fiber content of bananas makes them beneficial for people with diabetes or prediabetes because it slows the rate sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. Additionally, the low glycemic index of bananas means that their sugars are slowly released into the bloodstream, and this maintains a steady supply of energy. Bananas are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, which can help protect against cell damage and disease due to exposure to free radicals. Similarly, the antioxidant dopamine has been shown to have some neuroprotective properties that can help prevent degenerative diseases of the nervous system such as Parkinson's disease. Bananas also contain a good amount of soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels by binding with bile acids in your digestive tract so they can be excreted before they are reabsorbed. This reduces the risk of heart disease because high levels of LDL cholesterol is associated with heart attacks and strokes. A medium-sized banana contains about 4 grams of dietary fiber, which is just over 10% of an adult's recommended daily intake. Bananas are a good source of vitamin B6, which is important for the development of red blood cells and maintaining a healthy immune system. Additionally, vitamin B6 is necessary for the proper function of many enzymes in your body. A medium-sized banana contains about 0.4 mg of vitamin B6, which is about 17% of an adult's recommended daily intake. Bananas are also a good source of magnesium, which is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. It is essential for energy production, protein synthesis, and nerve and muscle function. Magnesium also helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes a healthy heartbeat. A medium-sized banana contains about 27 milligrams of magnesium, is about 7% of an adult's recommended daily intake. Bananas are a good source of potassium, which is an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure levels and protect against heart disease. A medium-sized banana contains about 422 milligrams of potassium, which is about 12% of an adult's recommended daily intake. The next time you're feeling run down, reach for a banana. Bananas are a good source of vitamin C, which can help fight off infection and support the immune system. Additionally, vitamin C is necessary for the repair and maintenance of tissue throughout the body. A medium-sized banana contains about 11 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 15% of an adult's recommended daily intake. bananas are a great snack to have on hand when you're trying to cut back on unhealthy foods. This video is only for educational use. Please consult your doctor for any medical and professional advice. Feel free to let us know in the comments. Before you go, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to inform you when we produce another video. Thank you for watching Better Body Tips and for your continued support.